All right, guys, in this video, we're going to be showing you how to get on Pluto TV from your PS5. So, say you're in a game. All you have to do is go ahead and push this PS right here. You're going to want to go to home. So now we're on the home page, or you already start off in the home page. The point is, home page, on the top left, you'll see games and media. Go ahead, go to media, go down, and then you'll see these options, and bam, there we go, right there. There's Pluto TV right here. Go ahead and click that. What you're gonna have to do now is download. And once you download, if you already have an account, then just sign in. And then you have access to all the movies. If you don't have an account, then you're gonna have to pay either whatever options you have signed up with the PS5 or credit card. And then you have access to Pluto TV, sorry, Pluto 5. What am I talking about? All right, so anyways, before I go, I'll just show you that once you do that, whenever you go to the media section, you're gonna see that Pluto 5 or TV is in one of these. Oh, I didn't download it because I don't have that account. But then, yeah, it'll be down here, just like there's Prime Video and then Disney Plus. And you can like see what movies they're pushing and just directly start watching it instead of going into that app. Anyways, I hope that video helps. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Like or comment below. See you next. Bye-bye.